Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to edit your page name on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now, on your Android phone or your phone, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening your Facebook app, you can see the three-line icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three-lined icon, and after that, when you land on this interface, you can see the pages option available over here just beside find friends. Tap on pages and you can see there's our page. Let's tap on our page to open it. And after getting over here now to edit or change your page name on Facebook, you can see the edit page option available over here just on the bottom left corner of your screen. You can see the edit page. Tap on edit page, and when you enter this interface, you can see the page info, which is the second one just below the page header over here. Tap on page info, and after that you can see the name over here. Tap on name. After tapping on name, you will be on this interface. Now if you want to change the name, you will need to type something over here like this and hit on continue. For now, I will not be changing my page name since it's good. And if you want to change it, simply tap on continue and your page name will be changed. There guys, this is how you change your page name on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.